This is a brake disc made of gray iron. Gray iron materials are difficult for ultrasound to penetrate. If you want to measure the thickness of the R-corner using a conventional pencil probe, it is impossible to penetrate such thick gray iron material. So, we can measure from the reverse direction using a standard probe. We can see this place is a plane, but this place is an R angle. We get the thickness of the flat part is 7.0 millimeters. Now let's measure this R angle. The thickness of the R angle is 7.6 millimeters. Checked with a caliper. The thickness of the flat surface is 7.0 millimeters. The angle is 7.6 millimeters. Now let's test the thickness of this right angle. This is more difficult to measure. Can it also be measured? Let's give it a try. The instrument measured 9.16 millimeters. The test results of the caliper are also consistent.